Welcome to Zara Hall. Hi everyone, welcome to another huge haul video of Zara. Yes, I did went to the January sale 2025 of Zara, and here's what all we have got. Wait, there is another packet. Zara Zara. Okay, so we have shopped till we literally dropped. So I have shopped for myself and of course for my husband. But I wear each and every piece that my husband owns. I gift him watches, then I wear them. I gift him hoodies, then I wear them. I gift him jeans and I wear them. I gift him shirts, t-shirts and everything. Literally not joking. And today in this very haul, I'm going to wear it, even show it to you guys. How can we wear men's clothing? Boyfriend jeans, boyfriend t-shirt, boyfriend hoodie in each and everything. Okay, with that also can you see a little styling that I have done today? It's a little hard because Valentine's week is coming, like it's 2-3 weeks away still, but yeah, because it's coming. Happy Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, every time's day to everyone. Let's get started. First I'll start with what I have got for myself, which is pretty small in this packet. Ta-da! Let's start with the first thing that I have got. One thing that I never ever miss when I go to Zara is the teeniest tiniest skirts. I think by now I have like 10 of Zara skirts in every of their design. I'm gonna do another haul for that, for only for the skirts that I've gotten from Zara. This is their new design of this balloon skirts, and balloon dresses and balloon tops have been in trend recently, and which is why I have picked up this balloon skirt. I just controlled myself and picked just this one because this is giving very Miu Miu vibes. I think I'm gonna pair this skirt with blue shirt. I don't have a tight blue shirt right now, plain blue shirt to style it, but I think I'm gonna get it. I have already added that in my Nykaa cart. So yeah, this is the balloon skirt. I'm gonna be wearing each thing and showcase here to you guys. I love the color, I love the design, and I love how cute this is looking. I love how it is burgundy inside. I think burgundy shirt will also go with this one, but like wine shirt, but I think I'm gonna do it with blue shirt because this is giving Miu Miu vibes. Okay, moving on to another stuff that I've got is this shirt. This is very cool shirt. Pata nahi kyun when I picked this up I felt like very airport vibes. Why? Because at airports whenever I'm there I feel chills, I feel little cold. तो मैं हमेशा ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि मैं कुछ ऐसा पहनूं जिसमें मुझे बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं लगे एयरपोर्ट पे, तो मैं कुछ फुल सा ही पहनना चाहती हूँ. और ये वेकेशन के लिए आप रोड ट्रिप कर रहे हो, बिकॉज हम बहुत सारा रोड ट्रिप करते हैं. आई डोंट नो, व्हेन आई सॉ दिस शर्ट आई फेल्ट लाइक कि मैं इसको पहन के रोड ट्रिप पे जा सकती हूँ. आई कैन गो एंड हैंग आउट एंड चिल विद माई फ्रेंड्स. आई कैन गो टू एयरपोर्ट. आई थिंक दिस इज, आई एम गोना बी वेयरिंग इट सो मच. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys will be seeing me wearing this shirt so much. Next up, what do we have? Okay, okay, we have another vacation, very beachy vibes dress. Baby, आप कुछ कह रहे हो? Okay, grapes. I love grapes. Sorry. When I saw this dress, I felt like I can literally go with my friends to a beachside. We can chill, sipping martinis. And this is backless. And this is alternate. This is like very beautiful dress. Next up, we have very this is giving office broad shoulders, like puffed shoulders, blazer kind of dress. It's looking so good. I'm gonna show you the first one. First one is this. I think it is blue or black. No, this is black, grayish, dark gray black dress. I think I saw this picture somewhere. I think Kendall Jenner or Gigi, somebody has worn it, like this kind of dress, and niche it was tight and flared bottom kind of pant. So I think I'm gonna style it in that way also, and just the dress also. So I loved this dress. This has a little cinched waist here. Also there is a belt given that you can tie and you can cinch your waist, but because I have my tummy tum-tums पेटू महाराज खा के जो मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ, इसके लिए मैं पीछे ही इसको बांधूंगी, बहुत ज्यादा सिंच नहीं करूंगी. देयर इज नो cinching happening right now. Moving on to another, giving very Korean style, cute chic girl vibes again. Oh my god, This dress is so pretty, so pretty. I can't even tell you guys. This dress is so pretty. It has a very beautiful backless back, and then there is a little bit chain thing going on here. This dress also has this shoulder pads and the sleeves. Also the quality, it feels so rich, it feels so nice. Also this gives a very balloonish kind of finish at the end. It is not a balloon dress, but it is giving a balloon finish. This is a very structured dress. Next up, I have got बॉडी सूट. मतलब इस पूरे शॉपिंग में मैंने एक ही चीज़ सिंपल सी ली है, वो है ये ब्लैक. नथिंग मच टू talk about, but because black and white are such basic colors that you can have it in your wardrobe, I mostly try to run away from whites because I look fat in white and black makes me look thin. Okay, so this is the bodysuit, plain and simple. पीछे पूरा चेन है जो ओपन हो जाता है, फिर आप इसमें घुस सकते हैं, बंद हो सकते हैं. It keeps you very hugged and close to you. And now, since I already told you guys that I'm wearing this heart here on my collar purposely because Valentine's Day is coming very very soon. So how can I not get a Valentine dress? This dress is to die for. Like, this dress is giving Valentine, screaming Valentine classy date. This is a red dress. Oh my god. Can we have a... This dress is a moment in herself. It fits so perfectly. It hugs your body so perfectly. It looks so nice and the material is so nice. I mean, this is very classy dress, although there is a small cutout, which is why I was little skeptical when I was going to try this dress, but when I tried, it is not showing off too much. But yeah, this is really nice. Also, there is a slit here. Also at the back, it has a long chain, long chain. You can zip it down, then zip it up and go inside the dress. So this is what all I have got. Let me know which dress did you like the most. Now for the most fun part. You know, there is a comfort in boys and men's dressing. पहले मैं ये हटा देती हूँ, मैं इसको बाद में फोल्ड करूँगी. मैंने एक एक पीस उठा के अनुराग को दिया ट्राई करने के लिए, क्योंकि these are all the pieces that I want to wear some way or other. I think he's gonna give it to me after like he had worn it for 2-3 times, but it's okay. I'm gonna reach his cupboard and wear them sometime and style them. These are all his clothes. If somebody is there who's looking to see what is there in the men's collection, also this is for them. कहाँ से शुरू करें हम? Should we start with t-shirts, shirts or pants? Let's start with pants. These are the very first denim. These are very baggy pants. तो ये वाला जो denim है, ये मैं अपने point of view से अगर देखूँ तो this looks so cool, like street wear cool. मुझे इसको पहनने का ना इतना मन कर रहा है, मैं लिटरली पहन के दिखाऊंगी. ये बहुत कूल लग रहा है, मतलब मैं जीन्स भी पहन सकती हूँ. सोचो, this has a little nada here. Nothing much is going around, just that the color and the feel of this denim is really nice. Next up, we have another denim which is like so good. It is looking like the color is so wow. This is giving diesel. Such a street vibes. I love the stitching that is happening here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. I'm loving this pants because of the color and because of the fit. So this is also a very good purchase for. Now let's come to the two shirts. Okay, so this is a shirt. This is giving very summery summer vibes. What is summer vibes? Beach vacation day vibes. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं भी पहन सकती हूँ यार. इतना cool लग रहा है ना, उसके सारे कपड़े ना मुझे ही पहनने का मन कर रहा है. Then next up we have this really cool shirt. I mean, look at this color and the flow bhai. This flows. This is like butter. This feels like butter. Literally, it melts. You put it on your body and it stays there like it's part of your skin. This feels like really nice. Also, I love this shirt and I'm dying to wear it, but he's gonna kill me, so I would literally die without wearing it. तो अभी मैं नहीं पहनूंगी. Everybody knows I am a die-hard fan of t-shirts, और everybody is die-hard fan of t-shirts, especially thick shirts. तो मेरा पूरा focus था कि I would pick t-shirts for him that are maximum in GSMs, जिनका quality एकदम thick quality हो, ताकि वो अच्छा रहे हमेशा. First up we have this t-shirt, very basic. Next we have this blue t-shirt. My thoughts are running wild. I want to wear this t-shirt. और पीछे देखो आप, just this t-shirt has its own moment for the back. मैं कितना भी बैकलेस कपड़े पहन लूं, पर जो कंफर्ट और जो ये लिखे हुए बैक में मुझे जो फील आता है ना, वो किसी भी चीज में नहीं आता है भाई. I love it so much. Also the color combination is really nice. Oh, this t-shirt, oh my god, this is my favorite one from the whole t-shirt thingy. I love the color of it. I love that this is giving very vintage, and I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing, that that वो rusty वाला denim and this t-shirt and those chunky Converse वाले shoes. Oh my god, amazing. These will look amazing. Sleeves पे कुछ भी नहीं है, इसमें back पे भी कुछ भी नहीं है, but the color itself is like really giving very vintage vibes. Love this t-shirt. Next up we have very basic white tees, because white and black you can never go wrong with. It does not matter if you are going to a fancy place, normal place, party place, or chilling with someone, going on vacation, running errands, whatever you do, if you have a black and white tee, you are good to go. Because no matter how many times you wear those t-shirts, it never looks कि ये repeated है, just like denim. So this is a pro tip कि white और black और हो सके तो grey. So these three are basic t-shirts that every man and boy should have in their closet, girls as well. Oh, this t-shirt again is giving very vintage vibes. This is grey, so I'm loving this one also. Again इसमें भी back पे कुछ भी नहीं है, but this is giving very rusty vintagey vibe, which I like the most, just like the other t-shirt that we have. Now we are left with only two other t-shirts. This t-shirt, oh my god, wow. This t-shirt is giving like I am going on a coffee date. Like I think I can pair this t-shirt with that balloon skirt that I have got from Zara. I think I can pair that up with this t-shirt as well, and it will look really cool with a nice small bag with a lot of charms in it. Also this reminds me that I want to buy charms for my bag. If anyone has any references, they can give me. The color combination is really nice. The quality of the t-shirt is really thick. We are on to the very last piece of this haul, which is this grey t-shirt. It is very basic t-shirt. I love the neckline again. It is very high thick quality. This has the same thing going on the sleeves. मेरे ऊपर I think ये t-shirt इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but because Anurag has these broad shoulders and biceps, like massive biceps he has, जो वो हमेशा show off करते रहता है. So I think it will look really nice on him. This is all from Zara haul. Let me know which pieces did you guys like the most. Also let me know which haul you want to see. Okay, bye bye guys. See you in another haul. Take care.